Ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning and a very good day to you. And your moderator for the day, Rashmi Sanan, your host for the day, welcome you all to the Women's Records and Global Records ceremony. I would like to tell you first about the global ceremony and the Women Records first. Global Records and Research Foundation, in short, it's called GRRF, which I'll be saying from now onwards. GRRF is a globally leading reference organization for world records and awards. Over 1,100 actions, activities, and achievements have been registered in the Global Records and Research Foundation. Women Records is a special category wherein 200 plus record holders are there. I feel proud to say that since Dr. Archana Bhatia is a symbol of women empowerment, today she is going to make a record in this category. She will be reciting definitions of statistics with correct names of authors in 1 minute. So that's a brief introduction for GRRF. And I'm happy to announce that the chief guest for the day is Mr. Rajiv Chawla. He is the chairman of Integrated Association of Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises of India. I welcome you, Mr. Rajiv Chawla. And our guest of honor for the day is Sri Ranjit Singh. He is 2003 batch IAS officer, presently Deputy Commissioner Excise, Department of Government, Department of Delhi Government. He is Additional Registrar, RCS. I welcome you, sir. Then we are thankful to the sponsor of this event, Dr. C.B. Singh from MS Memorial Public School. Thanks a lot, sir. I would like to introduce Dr. Suman Singh as GRRF official, adjudicator, and member Uttarakhand SERT. Welcome, ma'am.
Okay. So, good afternoon to all. I, myself, Dr. Suman, welcome you all for today's exciting record attempt in GRRF, that is Global Records and Research Foundation. Global Records and Research Foundation is a globally leading reference organization for world records and awards. We at GRF believe that each one of us is special and unique. All we need is encouraging environment, timely identification of talent, and suitable platform to showcase such skill and talent. That is why GRF is leading organization. GRF has uniform and standard procedure for measurement of human actions, activities, and achievements. It is affordable and easily accessible. GRF is more flexible and open for new ideas and activities. So, we welcome you in the exciting words of records. GRF certify a record attempt in 3 levels. First one is at country level. So, at country level, we have a record that it is named as national records. And for continent, for Asia continent, GRF has Asia Pacific records. And for world record, it is global records. In addition to this, GRF has two special record books. First one is children records. It is exclusive and only record book for children globally. And another one is women records for celebrating success stories of women like Dr. Archana Bhatia. So today on October 11, 2020, I am pleased to invite you all for an exciting and academically high quality record attempt. As I said, GRF is in forefront to adopt new means and methods to accommodate changes and new normal. Many speakers have already said about Dr. Archana Bhatia, so I will not take your time in it. Going straight to today's action. So today's record title is a recital of most statistical definitions with author's name in a minute. In simple terms, Dr. Archana Bhatia is attempting to speak stat definitions with correct author name in just 1 minute or 60 seconds. So for entry in women records, she needs to recite minimum 18 definitions with author's name in given 60 seconds. And for entry in global records, she needs to recite minimum 21 definitions with author's name in given 60 seconds. So with wishing her all the best, I hand over proceeding to facilitate.
मैं एलेक्सा से टाइम सेट करा लेती हूँ 1 मिनट का, उसके बाद मैं साथ ही मैं आईज क्लोज कर लेती हूँ और मेरी जो भतीजी हैं वो वीडियो भी 1 मिनट की बना के आपको उसी समय भेज देंगी। और आपके पास मेरी डेफिनेशंस की ऑलरेडी लिस्ट है क्योंकि मैं बहुत आराम से डेफिनेशंस नहीं देख पाऊंगी और फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट फिर मैं लेने को मैम तैयार हूँ और आई थिंक वी कैन गो इन फॉर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट।
ऑल द बेस्ट।
ओके, तो मैं बोलूंगी Alexa, set timer for 1 minute.
1 minute. Starting now.
Statistics may be called the science of counting. A.L. Bolly. Statistics may rightly be called the science of averages. A.L. Bolly. Statistics is both science and art. Tip it. Statistics affects everybody and touches life at many points. Tip it. There are 3 kinds of lies: lies, damn lies, and statistics. Mark Twain. Figures do not lie but lies because Mark Twain. Statistics can prove anything. Disraeli. Statistics can prove nothing. Disraeli. Statistics is a rainbow of lies. Disraeli. Statistics is the science of estimates and probabilities. Boddington. Data collected by other person are called secondary data. Wassel. Classification is a grouping of related facts into classes. Per and Spith. Average is sometimes described as a number which is typical of the whole group. Labor. Interpolation is the art of reading between the lines of the table. Thyle. Index numbers are specialized type of averages. M. Blair. Dispersion, the measure of variation of the items. A. L. Bolly. A set of data depending on time is called time series. Canny and keeping. A time series consists of data arranged chronologically. Croxton and Cowden. Mode is a value which has the greatest frequency density. M. Tuttle. Correlation is an analysis of covariation between 2 or more variables. M. Tuttle. Dispersion is the measure of extent to which individual items vary. L. R. Connor. Probability is the ratio of the favorable cases to the total number of equally likely cases. Laplace, when a series is not symmetrical, it is said to be over. Madam, 22 definitions. हो गया? Dr. Suman, is it okay?
Yes, yes, take us 10 minutes.
Suman is ready with the results and we wish all the best to Archana. We are sure that she's going to make it. Dr. Suman, over to you with the good news, I suppose.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. So good news for you. I am pleased to announce that Dr. Archana Bhatia from Faridabad, India, Associate Professor of Commerce, HOD, Dean, Commerce Department, DAV, Centenary College, Faridabad, has recited 22 statistical definition with correct author's name in given 1 minute.
Very nice, beautiful.
Women records. So congratulations, Dr. Archana Bhatia.
Heartiest congratulations to Dr. Archana. Let's give her a big applause, everybody from there. Great, great. That's a very good news. With big hugs and big congratulations to you, Archana. Over to you. Please say a few words. How are you feeling now, Archana, since you have made this record?
मैं सबसे पहले तो अगर ये बात नहीं कहती हूँ तो मैं अपने कर्तव्य का निष्पादन सही प्रकार से नहीं कर पाऊंगी। सबसे पहले तो आज मैं जो भी हूँ, जो भी मेरी मेंटल फैकल्टीज डेवलप हैं, जो मेरे में आत्मविश्वास है, उसके पीछे मेरे फादर और मेरे हस्बैंड, इन दोनों का बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है। इसके साथ ही मेरी मदर मैडम मिसेस सुदर्शन मल्होत्रा और मेरी मदर इन लॉ मिसेस उमा भाटिया, इन दोनों का भी बहुत बड़ा योगदान है, तो मैं इसमें यहाँ पे बताना चाह रही हूँ। इसके साथ ही मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट देते हैं, बहुत प्यार करते हैं मेरे बच्चे उपासना, मनन और शिवम। थैंक्स फॉर योर सपोर्ट, योर गुड विशेस एंड स्पेशल थैंक्स टू माय ग्रैंडडॉटर मायरा। और इसके साथ ही जो मेरे रिलेटिव्स हैं, जो मेरा फ्रेंड सर्कल है कॉलेज का, कॉलेज से बाहर का, उनका भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। अभी आप सुन ही रहे हैं मेरी फ्रेंड्स के भी मुख से सारी अच्छी बातें। और सबसे बड़ा धन्यवाद मेरे स्टूडेंट्स का, जो इतने सालों तक मेरे साथ जुड़े रहे और दिल से मुझे प्यार करते हैं, और मैंने भी स्टूडेंट्स को दिल से प्यार किया है और उनकी उन्नति में मैं उसी प्रकार से सजग रहती हूँ। तो इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। एक नया मापदंड है
ना